All right, guys, we have the next hard request up. It is Bad Company. The song is Bad Company, and the album's Bad Company. So let's take a listen to it here. This has been one of my favorite songs of all time. Through again for the intro and also for the verse. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone. Thousands and thousands of lessons that I've made over the past 11 years are on there. Been teaching for 30 years and then doing the online videos for 11 or so. So here we go. Sorry for the key. That's the key Paul Rogers plays it in. So that's the key we're going to do it in. And we'll start with G flat and B flat on the right hand. I'll use fingers 1 and 3. And then A flat and D flat with 2 and 5. And they're staccato. That's why I have those little dots there. All right, so don't connect them. Put a little... And then we have B flat and E flat. When we do that, we're going to start this left hand pattern. Okay, what he does, he's way down low, lowest E flat octave you can play on the piano. E flat, a low E flat, and then 2 high ones, 2 low ones, 2 high ones. Then it starts over. So it's ba 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 ba. Okay, and I will mention this is a live version, so it's not only the piano part you love in the regular version, but he plays a little bit more in this one as far as the solo stuff at the end. So there's some neat stuff in there that you can look up. It's a live version. All right, so we have. So use some pedal right in there. Whenever you have the staccato notes in the right hand, let off the pedal. So they can be staccato, and then you can let the pedal back down. Okay. Now right here, bop, bop, bop. You have this again, which you had over there, but now you're playing the left hand, and then you keep going again. Right, you just line them up. Right. If you're new to my method, you just line them up, and especially if you're new to my method, when you get on the website. Try the 50 easy lessons. Just scroll down the main library list to the letter L for lessons and start with lesson 1. And even if you have had piano, some music already, it'll get you used to the way I teach. And you can really catch on pretty quickly. That's why I think I've had some successes, because it's something people can just, dive into right away. All right, so we're right here. And notice that you have right hand with that low E flat, then the left, and then together, and then the low note. Okay? Don't let the left hand overpower the right hand. Okay, keep it underneath. The right hand's a little more important. Now we have... Alright, so right here it's A flat and D flat together 3 times, but notice where they happen. Right here on the first one, 1 and 2, and on the and of 2 it happens, and then right there. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, then we're back to B flat and E flat. See, I let off the pedal when I got back there to the staccatos, so I don't pedal through those. Now I have my little direction here, black dot to black dot. That means you go back and play from this black dot to that one. It's my way of a repeat sign. So we repeat it. So you go, there we go, repeating. So company, that's where you start singing on the verse. Company, no. Now you may wonder, what's the red dot for? What's the blue triangle? What's the blue writing? That's later, so disregard. Let's just look at this right now. All right, so he sings company. Right there, B flat and E flat, you know that well. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then da 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 da. Later on, I hear Paul do this. The right hand kind of plays along with the melody there, but not the first time. The first time I just hear this, A flat and D flat, and that typically happens the first time through. It's not as not as much stuff as it will be later to fill it out a little more. So you want to not give everything away at the beginning. A flat, D flat. Da, 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 da. Notice the left hand goes to D flat there. Then we're back to the G flat and B flat, left hand on the E flat. Or destiny, destiny. So, we know that, and we know this now because we played that. And the blue will be later, okay? Well, that's pretty good for the part 1 there. And we'll learn the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. And don't forget, there's some solo stuff he does at the end. That'll be fun. That we'll do. And as well as all the other lessons that are already on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.